In this short video, you will learn how to use Five's inbuilt function selectAction. This will enable you to select another action without leaving the current menu item. Let's first take a look at an example. If we look at the Action Navigation application, there are two processes. Process A, which is the menu item we are currently on, and the process has a label of "This is Process A." There is also a Process B, which has no menu item, and we can't even see this process. So how can we reach Process B? By clicking the To Process B button. You can see now we are on Process B. However, we have not left the current menu item of Process A. Let's go back into Five to see how easily it is to navigate to an action via code rather than via a menu item. For this scenario, we are using processes as our actions, but selectAction can be performed with any actions saved in Five. Let's take a look at Process B. It simply has one field, and this is called "This is Process B," and it has a display type of label. If we come back to the General page, you can see Process B has an action ID called Process B. This is important to know when writing your function. Now we can come to Process A, and you can see it has two fields. Its first field is called "This is Process A" and has a display type of label. If we come to the second field, you can see it is called "To Process B" and has a display type of button. For our button to have any functionality, a function needs to be attached. So let's head to the function view and add our function that will select Process B. We first need to give our function an ID. We'll call it To Process B. And now we need to add our code. As Five has already added our basic template, all we need to do is add Five's inbuilt function of selectAction. And we do this by typing five.selectAction and passing the action ID for Process B. You can find more documentation on this in our online API help. Now we need to head back to Process A, and we'll do this by selecting Tasks and Processes and our Process A record. And now we'll head to our fields and select the To Process B record, come to the Events page, and attach our function to the onClick event. Now back in the application, when the button is clicked, the event will execute the function and Process B will be selected through code as we passed in its action ID.